Feeling nervous, that's normal because we are humans. Also, me and Max are also feel nervous. Alright, ano po yung masasabi mo sa supporters mo from Black Bears?
Gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa kanila kasi hinintay talaga nila na matapos yung event kahit anong oras na. And thank you din sa mga drummers from Santa Clara and especially sa inyong advisor. Thank you.
Okay. Handa na po ba pumili ng iyong katanungan? Isipin na po tayo sa ating mahiwagang class. Okay, candidate number 5, here is your question. How do you believe intramural sports contribute to building a sense of community on campus? Again, how do you believe intramural sports contribute to building a sense of community on campus?
Good evening. Thank you for that meaningful question, sir. Intramural brings students together. Whether you are playing or cheering, you feel connected. Intramural is more than a competition. It's about creating friendship through teamwork, unity, and a year-level pride. Thank you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our candidate, number 5. And now,
why'd you have to leave so soon, yeah? Why'd you have to go?